sandwich today?
Oh, I do.
Let's make a sandwich.
Let's make a sandwich with prosciutto and San Daniele.
Oh, we're actually in San Daniele.
Yes.
I thought we were going to go to Nino Diversa, grab some fresh bread. And this is the real deal. How lucky are we today? We are in the birthplace. How many hams are here?
30,000 prosciutto.
30,000 prosciuttos are here. Look at them. They hang as wide and far as the eye can see. We are surrounded by porky goodness.
Yes.
And they make it well here. This is where the birthplace of the prosciutto is. Simple ingredients. We're using only the back hinds of selected pork from various regions of Italy only. Sea salt from Puglia, a curing process, and that's it. It's the real deal. Let's walk backwards here. This is like a candy store for guys who love food, eh? Isn't it?
Yes.
It's a candy store for guys. Oh, look at this. We're meeting up with some of our fellow. Whoa. Hey, guess what? Hey, get in the shot. Come here. So I brought some bread.
Let's start cutting.
Before they kick us out, guys, everyone, let's enjoy this little trip today here in San Daniele, having beautiful knowledge-based experience today in Treviso.
No, we're in Friuli.
Oh, it's Friuli!